I used to think blasting my roof with a pressure washer was genius. Turns out it's one of the fastest ways to wreck your shingles. Here's what every Lynchburg homeowner needs to know. Let's talk about roof cleaning in Lynchburg, Virginia. Done right, it keeps your home looking sharp and your roof lasting longer. But done wrong, you might be setting yourself up for leaks, rot, or a whole new roof way before you need it. The biggest mistake? Using high-pressure washing. Sure, it gets rid of gunk, but it also strips away the protective layer on shingles, making them brittle and easy to crack. Even worse, water can sneak under those shingles, leading to leaks and mold. And don't forget about the chemicals. Harsh cleaners can harm your plants and pollute your yard. That's why pros like Evans Exterior Cleaning use soft washing. Low-pressure water plus eco-friendly detergents for a thorough, gentle clean. Protect your home, save money, and keep your roof healthy. Want peace of mind? Trust the experts.